What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video Plug Garage. Today with me I got my race exhaust from VRSF. So basically it's a straight pipe and we're going to put it on today, and we got cars and coffee tomorrow, so let's get this on. Alright guys, at the shop, and if you haven't been following me on Instagram or Snapchat, I got some ESR wheels. They're 19 by 9.5, 35 offset all around, and stretch life, it's pretty, but I wouldn't really recommend it because, you know, it's really like scary to drive around like certain areas. But anyway, forget about that. And I also got a MHD custom tune for it, so I'm running about 19 psi on this thing, and I'm gonna let you hear how the stock exhaust sounds like. Still got those two big ass mufflers. Alright, so here is the exhaust right here, mid pipe. It's where the mufflers are supposed to be, but there's no mufflers. Tips right here and everything else. So right now we have the old pipe right there, and here is the VRSF straight pipe. Go. Holy shit. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a couple of weeks since I had the exhaust on, and it sounds really good. And I'm gonna give you a cold start and what it sounds like at idle once it's all warmed up, and give it a couple of revs.